Meaning of handcrafted.
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 Handcrafted. The term handcrafted refers to goods that have been made by hand, rather than by machine. These products are often considered to be of higher quality and more unique, as they can vary slightly in appearance due to the artisan's individual touch. Handcrafting also allows for greater attention to detail and customization, as the artisan can adjust their techniques to fit the needs of each specific piece. Overall, handcrafted items offer a level of authenticity and character that cannot be replicated by mass-produced goods.